In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Zoho Books dashboard in just 5 minutes. Welcome to a straightforward guide where I'll walk you through the entire process of personalizing your dashboard using Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to make the most of its features, this tutorial will help you customize your experience efficiently. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Zoho Books website. It's easy to find, but if you're unsure of the exact URL, just search for Zoho Books in your favorite search engine, and it should be the first result that pops up. Once you land on the Zoho Books homepage, you'll see a lot of information about its services and features. Spend a moment or two familiarizing yourself with the offerings if you like, but our focus today will be on the dashboard customization. Now let's move forward by clicking on the sign in button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your Zoho Books account. If you're not already a user, signing up is relatively straightforward, but because we are focusing on customization today, we will assume you already have an account. When prompted, enter your email and password, make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. In case you have linked your Zoho Books to your Google account, you'll be pleased to know that you can log in using Google as well. From the login page, select the option to use your Google account if that's more convenient for you. Once you've successfully logged in, if you opted for Google, just click on your Google email from the list of accounts. This step will complete the sign-in process and can save you the trouble of typing in your email and password manually. Now that you are logged in, it's time to navigate over to your dashboard. Locate the dashboard section. This is your central hub within Zoho Books, where you can view your financial data in a way that makes sense for you and manage your accounting tasks more effectively. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your business's financial health and some flexibility in what you want to see first. To start adding details, you'll want to look for the customization options usually found within your dashboard settings. Once you click into the dashboard, you should see some prompts or settings icons that allow you to add, remove, or rearrange modules to suit your needs. This feature is particularly useful because it enables you to prioritize information that is most pertinent to you and your business. Drag and drop elements you prefer for quick access or visibility. Perhaps you want your income and expense summary at the forefront, or need to keep an eye on overdue invoices. You can adjust it here. If at any time you feel like the dashboard layout doesn't quite hit the mark, feel free to experiment with different configurations until you find the right balance. Remember, customization is all about enhancing your workflow. Once you're happy with the dashboard layout and the details you've added, the final step is to save your configuration. Saving is crucial, otherwise all your diligent customization efforts might be lost. Look for a save option, usually a button in the customization menu. Give it a click and your settings will be recorded. Now each time you log into Zoho Books, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that reflects the most relevant business information for you. Congratulations! You've just customized your Zoho Books dashboard. Take a moment to consider the impact this customized dashboard can have. With the right information at your fingertips the moment you log in, you can significantly enhance your business management capabilities. Being able to quickly assess financial data can inform better decisions and facilitate more effective business strategies. Remember, customizing your Zoho Books dashboard isn't a one and done activity. As your business needs evolve, so too can your dashboard. Reassess your dashboard from time to time to ensure it continues to meet your needs. If you realize that certain data points have become more critical, or others less so, adjust your dashboard configuration accordingly. Having a customized dashboard in Zoho Books is not just about aesthetics, it's about productivity and efficiency. Make the most of this powerful tool and harness the flexibility Zoho Books offers. Explore different settings and configurations to truly personalize your experience. This is just the beginning, and with these foundational skills in place, you'll be able to use Zoho Books to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll be happy to assist. Happy customizing.